There are a couple things y'all wanted to see. Y'all asked me to run a fork. Can you hear that? So you can hear the crunch. Crunch. Welcome to my Ninja Kitchen. My name is Roxanne. I go by Rox Talk Show. Please subscribe to the channel because we go through all sorts of really great things inside the kitchen and elsewhere in your home. And today is the return of our conversation about your Ninja Crispi Microwave. Now, I told y'all that first video was an unboxing. Apparently I didn't make that clear enough because all the comments were like, where's the food? Why aren't you cooking? It was just an unboxing. I didn't have time for more, but that's okay. I'm back now to give you some more. So the big question I've been asked, and some of you came in on my lives as well too on TikTok and said, can you please, we need you to go ahead and cook it this way, that way. You want to see how crispy it can actually get. You're curious about the Crisp Fusion, which is I think what everyone's talking about. Just a little recap on your Crispi Microwave. Ninja has made the very first microwave that actually is not only a microwave, but it also is an air fryer and it has Fusion Crisp. It does not have a turntable, which is nice. Typically with a microwave, the wave stays in place and you have to have the turntable to make sure the food is evenly cooked. You don't have to worry about that because the waves will go around in a circle so the food can stay put, which is nice because if you ever had to clean a microwave, it's a pain in the rear to clean that turntable. It's not fun at all. So you don't have to worry about that. You also are going to be able to, with the microwave setting, you'll have the ability to make popcorn, potatoes, defrost, beverage, soup, frozen dinners, frozen vegetables, and softened butter. Those are presets, and of course, you can always just do your timed cook. With your air frying, you can air fry, max crisp, air roast, air bake, and air broil. So you have those features in there, and then the Fusion Crisp, which is what everyone wants to know about, is where Ninja takes the microwave, the great things about the microwave, heating things up, and the great things about your air fryer, which is like they'll give it crispy and the good consistency and texture, because texture does matter. If something is mushy, it does not taste good, and put them together with Fusion Crisp. So I thought we'd go through that today. And of course, if you have questions, things you want me to cook, you want me to try in the microwave before you get yours, you can absolutely positively just put it in the comments. I do read them. I will respond to them and all that jazz. And I'll try and make a video for you as well too. Other thing is I do have a code. It's ROX, R-O-X. When you use that code, you'll get a 10% discount on Ninja Shark and Ninja items. Some of them might not work because they're it's so early in the game, but after a certain period of time, they'll work. Definitely try it, use it. Plus I have the specific links for your Crispi Microwave so you can get it if you want on directly from Ninja. You can get it right here on the link, which is nice, right? On the video, you can click right there to get it, or I've got other links inside the captions if you want to get it elsewhere. All right, so let's go ahead. Ta-da! Ooh, that was kind of dramatic. This is your Clean Crisp. It's a 5.5 quart vessel. It can withstand up to 450 degrees of temperature, and then you also get the crisper plate. We're gonna cook in this today. What I thought we'd do is we'd start by doing some sweet potatoes right from the freezer for you. So I'm just gonna take them and we're gonna put them in crisper plates in there. I'm gonna put them. So these are clearly from the freezer. I have not defrosted them. They have ice on them and all that jazz. Technically, if I go by the directions from this, it says for an air fryer, 360 degrees, do it for 12 to 14 minutes. If it says for an oven, 425 degrees, and for 15 to 18 minutes for half a bag. That's why we don't like ovens. I'm also, though, going to go through the Inspiration Quick Start Guide from Ninja. And on the back of this, it says, in the back you have charts. So for the charts, for max crisp, which is what we're doing, it says French fries. It says to do it for 450 degrees, and it says 18 to 28 minutes, toss frequently while cooking. So I'm not really good at tossing things frequently while cooking. I'll tell you that right now. I don't have time for that nonsense. But I'm gonna put it in here. Bada bada bing. Quick switch. So first we're gonna start by doing a max crisp. We'll use the air fryer to do the max crisp, and then a little later we'll go into the Fusion Crisp. Okay, so it says to air fry, max crisp, French fries, 450 degrees, air fry, max crisp. And we'll do temperature, 450 degrees, and let's do time. 18 to 28 minutes, we'll do it for 20 minutes. All right, here we go. We'll check back in a little bit. I could smell it, and I had a feeling. So one thing I always know when it comes to Ninja items is they cook faster, so I should have known. But I'm gonna check the crispy factor out on it anyway. Oh, it's hot, hot, hot. They are crispy though. They're the crisp. Okay, so that is crunchy. Has the crunch factor to it for sure. But I did go too far and I burned them. So we're gonna try some chicken next, and we'll see what's happening. The key is really, it said 1 pound to 2 pounds. Probably didn't have quite 1 pound in there. Probably should take a look. But this is YouTube, baby. We keep on. So next, we're going to try the chicken. So we're going to try the Fusion Crisp next. We've done the air fryer, and y'all, it's air frying. This is a little reminder to you. You think, oh, I'm putting it in the microwave. It'll be fine. It'll get soggy, whatever. But you saw how crispy these get. So it's also, don't forget that the crispy microwave is faster than everything else. I forgot that. I knew, but I didn't. Okay, so we're going to do some chicken this time. We're going to use the Fusion Crisp. Fusion Crisp is going to allow us to actually start with a microwave temperature so it gets hot, and then it'll make it nice and crispy like an air fryer. So with the chicken, they're boneless. I'm going to play around a little bit. When I play, things get in the way. Let's see, 2 to 4 breaths. It says 8 to 10 minutes. Microwave time, 15 to 22 minutes, air fry time. So let me just get that, and the whole flipping thing, which we know I don't do, and we know that works out really well for us. We're going to do real good chicken. Lightly breaded chicken strips is what we're going to do. Pop these in here. Now, I already know this is actually kind of hot already because we just cooked in it. So keep that in mind, I would say, when you're cooking. So we do that. And if you haven't tried, oops, that one's manna bread. If you haven't tried these, they're really good. Okay, that looks good. This in the top. Here. Fusion Crisp. And we're going to do a microwave. So microwave time is going to be, we've learned our lesson, 8 to 10 minutes. And air fry time will be, say, 15 minutes. Okay, because we know it's already hot. Here we go. We'll check back and see our work later. So what it does is it will start with the actual microwave, and it will heat it up. And then after some heating, it's just air frying, which still you get the cooking going, but it's going to make it nice, crunchy, and delicious. Fingers crossed. See what's going on in there. What shenanigans are happening in there, Miss Hannigan? Pretty good. I like what I'm seeing so far. I have a feeling we're getting close. Get closer. So okay, good. I am gonna flip it. Right on my back now. Earlier. Careful. A little bit longer. See what we've got cooking in here. I'm betting it's probably ready. Oh yeah, that's looking perfect. I took it out a little early, but that looks good to me. Put it right here. And we will assess. I see the crunch. Someone wanted me to take a fork. Y'all said take a fork and run it across the chicken to make sure it's crispy. Okay. How's that noise? Is that the noise you're looking for? Can you hear it? Crispy. Did that win the crisp award? A little crisp action there for you? So as you can see, and I'll let it do its last and final minutes and change, and then we'll take it out. Probably. Let's pause it a little bit. Okay. Let's see the masterpiece it is. Fusion Crisp. Okay, that looks pretty perfect, actually. I'm glad I did it for the full time. That looks really good. I'll let you get in there in a second, but I want to, there are a couple things y'all wanted to see. Y'all asked me to run a fork. Can you hear that? So you can hear the crunch. Crunch! Okay, but I more really want to open that thing and make sure it's nice and cooked. Yeah, look at that. So there it is, made from the Ninja Crispi Microwave. Let me know what you think. Let me know what questions you have. We did 2 things. We didn't want air fry, and I overdid the air fry. I should have known. Like, that's me being a rookie, and I know better because Ninja cooks things faster, and this is faster. So we learned. And then we also made chicken. Now, the chicken we did perfectly with the Fusion Crisp. So it did heat it up microwave style, and then it went straight into getting us nice and crispy. Can you hear that? Yummy. chicken nuggets. Let me know if you have any questions in the chat. If you're looking for the Crispy Microwave, there are 4 colors available now, which is exciting. I have the silver, but there's also like stone. There's a cyberspace blue and some other colors as well too. Any questions you have in the chat, let me know. I also have a link right there down on the video, so if you want to grab that, you can. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for coming. I'm going to eat a little something. I need to get some sauce, Polynesian sauce, like the Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce is my favorite. If you have any other suggestions on sauce, let me know. And any questions on this, let me know as well too. Thanks for coming and enjoy. A little crunch. That was good. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that jazz on my platform. I'd so appreciate that. Take care, everyone. Bye.